Alright, hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. And this one, I'm going to be kind of rearranging my desk setup or upgrading it because Kohl's Home, this desk company, and they actually have some other stuff, but they actually sent me over a walnut desk that's like 55 inches. So it's about the same size as this one, but I'm just going to be switching it out since I'm kind of getting bored of the black look right now. And the current desk that I have right now is the IKEA Malm desk with like that pull-out thing. And it was like $150 that I got like 6 years ago at this point. And it's honestly working completely fine. There's really no problems besides like some little chipping in the paint or like the wood right in the front. But besides that, everything is perfectly fine. It's been a really high quality desk for like 6 years at this point. And I would recommend it if you really do want this desk since it does have that pull-out panel, which a lot of you guys seem to actually like. But for right now, we have this $99 desk that's actually a really good value, or hopefully should be, for what it is. But if you are looking for a cheaper desk like this one, which is actually only $99, hopefully this one should be really good, and if it is, I'll recommend it at the end of the video. When Kohl's Home had emailed me asking for which desk that I wanted, I asked them for the walnut one instead of black because first of all, right now I already have black, and what I don't like about it is that it kind of shows dust on it, and any other marks that you have, it kind of shows it really easily instead of a different color like walnut, which is actually kind of more bright and lively. I would rather prefer that for right now since I've been kind of bored of the black look. And for right now, I'm actually going to take everything off this desk right now and put it off to the side since I have all this space right here where the tripod is. And right here, I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this is where my white desk used to be, which might have been in the background of a few videos. And I'm actually going to move the IKEA Malm desk that I have right there. I'm going to move it to where the tripod is right now. And back where the desk is right now, I'll just replace it with the new desk that I have, and we'll see how it looks at the end. Alright, so I just basically took apart everything from the desk setup that I had before, and I finally moved the desk right over here. And obviously you still have to take off that monitor mount that I have over there, but it's kind of tough right now. And I'm pretty much done with this desk setup area over here. I don't know what I'll do with this, honestly. I might just move it out somewhere else or put in that white desk again. And now I'm going to build that Kohl's Home desk, and I'll put it right here, and hopefully the installation doesn't take too long. Okay, so honestly the unboxing experience wasn't really that bad at all, except for all the styrofoam, which is honestly going to be a pain to clean up and vacuum. But there's not too many parts here, and I just put like the box over here for the actual desk. And taking a look at the actual desk right now, it actually looks pretty nice with this walnut finish. But right now I'm going to unwrap it and then basically just build the desk right here. Alright, so now basically the desk is completely done in terms of installation, and that was honestly not that bad. It probably only took like 30 minutes, and I was also recording, so I had to keep changing the angles and stuff. So if you are trying to build this, it's probably going to take you around 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe like 45 max. And now pretty much I just have to get rid of all this styrofoam, which is just all over the place. I'll just vacuum this area, kind of clean the desk with like a little wipe or something so I could get the styrofoam off of this. And we're pretty much just going to be good, and then we're going to put everything back onto this desk and just finalize the desk setup. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I just put the desk here, and right now all that's left is the cables that I actually do have to set up, and I have to set up all the computer stuff. But right now I just have to clean up the styrofoam and the desk, and we're pretty much done here. And right now I actually really do like the black accents on the desk with like the frames right here and the little wall shelf right there. Everything actually turned out to look really nice, and I do think that the design right here, the walnut finish, is actually really nice, especially for only $100. And the desk really does look a lot more expensive than only $100, and so far I'm actually really happy with it. Okay, so now that everything's set up back to the way that it was before, I really like the look of the desk, and I think it's a great value for what it is. The only thing that I really don't like about the desk is a slight wobble that it has, since the wood isn't the heaviest. Besides that, I really like the black accents on the legs of the desk, and the walnut finish is a nice touch that elevates the style of it. The main person I would recommend this desk for is for somebody using something like a really old hand-me-down desk, or even like a dining room table as their main desk setup. Or if you're on a budget as a high school or college student, I think it would definitely be a great pickup too. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in this desk, I'll leave a link down below to it, and you can actually find it cheaper for smaller sizes and different color options if that's what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.